Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Discord Nitro in 2025. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zestcoupons.com, and this site is so crazy. They have promo codes for all your favorite platforms, but today we're just interested in Discord, guys. So we're going to go to the search bar and type in Discord. So once it comes up, press show coupon code and wait for it to load. Now bear in mind, they are going to ask you for your email address, so make sure you go ahead and put that in. So you can see it says get full code, so just press that. And I already entered my email, but for you guys, you do have to enter your email address right here. And you can see it says reward activated, and then it says email confirmed. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and wait for this to load here, as you can see. And then it usually makes you do this email fill out thing where you got to register and put all your information, guys. So after you do this, you will get free Discord Nitro. There is potentially a survey after this as well, so make sure you do that. And let's do and type in Discord Nitro cost. And I'm sure it's expensive. So it's $9.99. That's really bad. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free Discord Nitro. All you have to do is go ahead and go to zestcoupons.com. And once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Discord. And as you can see, it says Discord Nitro promo code. So just press on that, press show coupon code, and you're going to get free Discord Nitro. So that's so cool, guys. It actually works in 2025. So if you guys need free Discord Nitro, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be subscribe to the channel and peace out, guys.